Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK race. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
No, this is not just an album. This is an experience. Vybz Kartel X-rated, available worldwide on all digital platforms. Make sure you support good music. Vybz Kartel and Sharp Bass Music presents. You know the something go. Stream, view, support. Yeah man, now move settings nation. And no, we no need none of that. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah man, Jayden Chase, and we are about to bring on another exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now in another video viewers and subscribers, we are going to discuss what took place between MC Nuffy and Movado. Now in Jamaica, there's a saying. It's when you're too enough. Now, them type of thing will reach you. Now big up Lava Sound and big up World Dog. May I make you hear from those who were there themselves. I don't want to feel about the whole fiasco in the comment section. You know what I mean? Drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. Once them say the last straw is for nothing. And to Movado diss him and why Movado diss him, them say it definitely look away. Look and listen.
Set. You know look around already?
Yeah. No. Oh.
Hold on. Me say me I go tell Shorty. And that me say now.
Yeah.
Me say me have to tell Shorty say to stop making a little clown to Gaza.
What go on?
Me say. Wait for the state now. Yow! Yow! Introducing live. Straight from out of Real. Real. See, in the state son now, you know. Lava. Border walk on, you see me? See that? God! Movado swap.
What do you mean? You not yelling back?
Yo! What Movado yelling blood clot?
Say man,
Movado yelling what?
push out the man not yelling back?
Yeah, you want to see him? Movado just walk past him and say, no, for me a bad man, you know. Walk past him, go now. Movado said, Movado did it. Full clip gun and stick on the run out. We freestyle music, cut the fucking ear.
Eh.
Yow! When I look, man, I want to move all the dog and come jog in my tongue. Two the same way. 2 million.
No yell.
Lava. The man never rock nothing from off my face to blood clot.
God no dog. No yell.
Rock him. Yo.
Yeah.
Brother. See, I see Johnny British push up it too. When you try your mobile and yell him.
Well, Suka put up a tune of you try about 3.
About 4. Lava me say. About 4 times the man try to heal Movado. I mean, I said to myself, say, if he was short Gaza every day, and they defend Gaza, what makes you not stay around that black part with me?
Right.
Eh? Which part me there me feel comfortable? We around that stuff. I promote and give me cover and me say me don't want it. You understand?
Right.
So, when me reach out that son of me, I watch you and go on. You want him? Yow! Mr. Movado, Mr.
What you talking about? It's Lava place.
If you say Gaza again shot to the whole man, box him up.
Who's sick that?
Yeah.
Dog, well, not if I have a handbag or a elbow.
Brother, not in a heel. Man, about 4 times he tell enough to say I'm a bad man. No. Oh. Man, she enough you up the last night.
Oh, God, how me say? And them man talking the man back going to man and sing and somebody grabbing the mic.
Just like Mike. And did a rap. At 2 minutes video, I look nothing man them take nothing by stage.
Jano.
All nothing make this a dirty black boy I see him. Me say, a man them share me about 5 times rapid. You know what they say? All they say consecutive this.
Yeah.
In get about 5 consecutive this. Black to black. Black to black. I say man get them. Anytime I yell Vybz hold the hands up. Man say no yell fear.
Need of your fire.
You need to support artists like these. Him a go through it. One of Jamaica's greatest artists he ever walked on earth. Yo! Yo!
Jano star.
Me say if me have shorted number for WhatsApp, me call shorty and make you see. Lava, me say me shame fee man. 5 rapid shame. Me never get so much shame one time, one place yet. In a less than 15 minutes, I eat that lava. I even turn up and take 5 shame. In a less than 15 minutes. Lava in a 15 minutes, or if you turn up and take 5 shame. The whole of them straight tire. I go like them on the bumbuckler artists, them a friend of that. When artists them a perform, I hold up on the bumbuckler artists them, and I go like to my artist a friend. And last night, my sister, enough of them get shame.
Wow.
Me turn up in a wall, look blood clot corner, so. If you don't want to hear me, not blood clot, hear me, look at me. If you have a custom, you hear your entourage, feel like you want to tap me, never cause problem.
That me a talk about. Whoa. That me a talk about.
Lava! 5 blood clot rapid this.
So everybody talk about slippers and socks. So everybody talk about slippers and socks.
What am I talking about socks and slippers?
Slippers, I don't know. Talk Zero said the worst part when they take the mic from him.
Love, I'm saying, man, did I say? Full clip, go just think when we run. No, that's where they talk in my foot, and up here, that's where everybody fun.
Me hate you, belong
If everybody does a pass through, but I don't like the reason, I don't like the point of view, well, me remind you now to click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. You man the like icon there between, and it is in close proximity to the share icon. So drop a like and bust a share on the blog in truth. Tell a friend for join the discussion, join the reasoning viewers and subscribers via the comment section. And yes, the comment section is open 24/7, meaning it never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, but other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And also for all young artists who are wonder about the review, yes, contact the IG page Jayden_Chase_ for more details. We know the thing go. We don't want the music out there. We don't want people here walk on. Contact the IG page and make a reason about that. Now, on to the reason again, viewers and subscribers. My sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.